We are at 4084 South, 300 East, Unit A, the Wembley Park Apartments. This unit that's available is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Coming in through the front door, we have an open living area that connects to the kitchen. This unit has two-tone paint, as well as wood and tile floors throughout the unit. Coming through here, you can see it does have an attached patio with nice views of the grounds and the green space here. There is an attached storage unit available for tenant use as well that does lock. And there is quite a bit of space in here. Coming back into the unit, we'll go take a look at the kitchen. Here you can see the dining area and the kitchen with cabinet space. In through this door here is your utility room with your washer dryer hookups. And there is space for an electric dryer. Coming out and through the kitchen into the hallway, you've got a linen closet to the left. On the right, we have a full bathroom. And that door through there connects into the master closet. Coming around here, we have the master bedroom. And the master closet, which is a walk-in closet and has plenty of storage space as well. And this closet does include a sink, so you have additional space to get ready in the morning. To the right here, we do have the second bedroom. As you can see, this is a ground level apartment, but it does get tons of natural light during the day. And the closet in there. This is 4084 South, 300 East, Unit A. If you have any questions or would like more information on this unit, please contact HomeRiver Group at 801-349-2585 or at saltlakecity-propertymanagement.com.